हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम टू आवर चैनल। पिछली बार हमने अपना डेन सेटअप किया था हमारा ट्रैवल हॉल एंड एज यू कुड सी ज़हीर वाज अ बिग हेल्प।
Still tired.
You light up my life. I need you to now light up the shelves in the dining area. Can you help me?
Of course.
Good.
मैं नहीं करूँगा तो कौन करेगा?
मैं करूँगी।
कोई दोस्त होता है क्या करने?
एक्चुअली हमने एक दोस्त को बुलाया है जिसका नाम है मनजोत एंड ही इज़ अ वेरी क्रिएटिव पर्सन। मैं एक्चुअली उसके घर पर गई थी एंड आई सॉ दैट हिज शेल्व्स वर सो ब्यूटीफुली डेकोरेटेड। मैंने बोला मनजोत ये किसने किया? ही सब मैंने किया। तो सर प्लीज़ मेरे भी घर आओ और हमें हेल्प करो। तो अब हम मनजोत का इंतज़ार कर रहे हैं बट इन द मीन वाइल
सिर्फ 1.5 घंटा लेट।
ओनली या दैट्स नॉर्मल नो,
इसलिए मेरा दोस्त।
दैट इज़ ट्रू। बट जब तक मनजोत आता है चलिए हम आपको अपना डाइनिंग एरिया और जो हम डेकोरेट करने वाले हैं हमारे शेल्फ्स वो दिखा देते हैं।
बाय।
वो अलग शॉट में आएगा।
हाय।
देखो बेसिकली ये शेल्व्स डेकोरेट करने के लिए हमें बहुत सारी चीज़ें चाहिए थी। तो मनजोत ने बोला कि कुछ चीज़ें मंगाओ। इनफैक्ट ही ऑर्डर्ड अ लॉट ऑफ दीज थिंग्स हिमसेल्फ और हमारे घर पे डिलीवर करवा दिया। और मेरे पुराने घर पे रामायण में बहुत सारी चीज़ें थी, बहुत सारी बुक्स थी जो मैं लेकर आई हूँ विच आई रियली लाइक। लॉट्स ऑफ फोटोग्राफ्स वेयर वी वर स्टेइंग अर्लियर, माई फेवरेट फोटोग्राफ्स, शादी के फोटोग्राफ्स, ऑल ऑफ दैट एंड इन जनरल सम क्यूट सी स्टफ। और ये देखिए सबसे बड़ा एक्टर इस घर का।
क्या बात है जी, एक्टिंग की बादशाह हो कसम से, बहुत अच्छी वीडियो बनाई है।
ओह हाय। सॉरी आई जस्ट रीड सो मच।
हाँ,
पढ़ने का
की
बहुत शौक है।
पढ़ने की
बहुत पढ़ता हूँ।
एक्टिंग
बहुत पढ़ता हूँ।
हाँ ओके।
नो लिमिट्स, वेरी गुड एंड वन ऑफ माय फेवरेट डॉक्टर ब्रायन वाइस।
अच्छा है, प्रोनाउंसिएशन प्रॉपर हो गई।
ऑल माय बुक्स।
ओके, फर्स्ट थिंग्स फर्स्ट, एक चीज़ हमने ऑलरेडी सजा के रखी है। दिस इज़ वेरी स्पेशल। वुड यू लाइक टू टेल अस द हिस्ट्री बिहाइंड दिस ज़हीर?
This is one of the most beautiful paintings I've seen, and it is by
M.F.
Mr.
Hussain.
This
Why you
was-
have to read it?
No, I'm saying by Mr. M.F. Hussain, and this was gifted to us by our lovely and dearest friends, Raj Bhai and Patra, and I love it.
I also love it. अब यहाँ पर ऐसी कुछ चीज़ें हैं जो सिर्फ ज़हीर एक्सप्लेन कर सकता है, तो मैं उससे एक्सप्लेन करवाऊँगी। सबसे पहले है ये कैरिकेचर। ज़हीर, वुड यू लाइक टू टेल द हिस्ट्री बिहाइंड दिस?
ये कैरिकेचर है जब हम ब्राइटन में थे। मैं गया था लंदन सोना को सरप्राइज करने। वहाँ हम ब्राइटन के जो पेबल बीच है उसके बाजू में साइड में बैठ के हमने ये कैरिकेचर बनाया था। और वी स्टार्टेड ऑफ विदाउट नो, और फिर हम इतने हंसने लगे तो फिर ये फोटो ऐसे हंसी वाला है।
He was a very good artist. Okay, these photos, Zahir, which is your favorite?
This one.
Hey, that's my favorite.
This is my favorite, and also I like this one.
Yeah,
With your mom, dad.
so sweet.
Then the four of us. Sanam and Arya are missing, but it's good. And this is also one I love. Unfortunately, face is covered. I love it. And
But ये हमारी शादी की
look at
फोटोज है।
us, Sona in disbelief कि हो गई शादी।
नहीं, ये शादी की फोटोज है और ये हमारी फर्स्ट एनिवर्सरी की फोटो है। So cute, I love it.
Yeah. And this also is one of my favorite.
Yeah. Okay, explain those. Those beautiful.
These are beautiful. This is मेरा
masterpiece.
ये मेरा फेवरेट वाला है क्योंकि ये बना है मेरी बीवी ने, इसमें मैंने कुछ अंदर डाल दिया।
वो साफ नहीं किया था।
हाँ। मुझे लगा मेरा। तो एनीवेज ये है ड्रैगन फ्लाई जो हमारे घर के बाहर बहुत है फॉर सम रीजन। ये दूसरा ड्रैगन फ्लाई ये सोना ने मुझे गिफ्ट किया था। ये दोनों वाली वी डेटिंग।
Why am I obsessed with dragonflies? पता नहीं, मुझे बस बहुत सुंदर लगते हैं।
This
That's why.
was a beautiful commission by Azra, and this is from a really close friend of mine, Jivesh. ये
This you don't know. This I know.
Okay.
This is actually another Hussein original जो कि मेरी एक friend Yushita ने मुझे gift किया था for my birthday I think 2-3 years back and I think it's beautiful and it's so meaningful क्योंकि वो जानती है कि मैंने fashion designing पढ़ा है and this is like a very fashion forward sketch by Mr. M.F. Hussain. I really love it. It's such a beautiful sketch.
What is this? Is this Marzia's?
Yeah, this is Marzia's.
This is a beautiful painting made by my niece. Unfortunately, she not gifted to me. She sold it to me.
Fortunately, I'm glad art needs to be appreciated and to be sold. So I'm really happy that you are an art connoisseur.
But the joke's on her क्योंकि पीस खरीदने के बाद नोटबंदी हो गई. Demonetization happened.
Sorry, Marzia. But it's really beautiful और हमारे the living room में बहुत सारा blue है. As you can see, we are obsessed with the color blue in this house for some reason.
Oh, I thought you were talking about yourself.
Oh, I'm also wearing blue.
बहुत सारा blue.
Manjot is late and he's calling. Yes, Manji. Where are you? We are waiting for you. हम video already चालू हो चुका है. What a guy.
What?
He's really your friend, huh?
Yeah.
क्या आदमी है? बोलता है आऊँ कि नहीं आऊँ?
This is also one of the books I had bought.
No, this
Yeah.
came from Ramayana.
No, but I bought it. This is my set of books. I sent there.
Okay, these are lanterns, Zahir, जो तुमने खरीदी है, which you want to hang somewhere, but they're just lying.
What if I just put a keela over here,
No,
hang it there?
you can't. And then of course I picked up.
Your face will glow then.
Of my face is already glowing. Face is glowing. That means I'm just beautiful. Nothing else. It does not mean anything else. Okay, these are lots of candles that I bought. There are some more over there. And ये भी
Wow,
है
अगर ये बताती नहीं हमको कभी पता नहीं चलता.
shelves पर. And this is something really cute. These balloon dogs also Manjot ने मंगवाया है.
Wow.
I think they're very cute. This is it. And now let's wait for Manjot to arrive.
One eternity later.
Manjot is here. Look at this shameless person. Welcome, sir. Welcome, welcome. I'll kill you.
अच्छा
देखो इस बेशरम इंसान को.
मैं सिर्फ 2 घंटे लिए हूँ.
हाँ?
सिर्फ 2 घंटे लिए.
Only. In the meanwhile हमने सब सजावट सेटअप करके रखा है तुम्हारे लिए. Now please
दुकान बड़ी अच्छी है.
बताओ क्या करने वाले हो.
हम कोशिश करेंगे आपके बुक शेल्फ्स को एस्थेटिक बनाने.
Aesthetic.
हाँ जी.
Wow.
Give it some vibes.
Please give it some
Give
vibes.
it some feels.
By the way,
अच्छी बड़ी अच्छी है वैसे.
खाने के लिए नहीं है.
It's cute.
We don't have to use everything.
Okay.
Okay, so basically you said get books from your old
Yeah,
books and
just
stuff.
like-
So I've got a lot of books over here from Ramayana which have come. Oh, this is something really nice. ये actually किसी ने हमारे लिए बना के भेजा था.
Oh, man.
Really cute photos of us and like
Oh, wow.
pop-ups and stuff. I really, really love this, so I want to use it nicely
Yeah,
and keep
probably
it
use
somewhere.
You'll open these or you want to just keep them in plastic ऐसा लगे.
No, no, please. Manji.
कहते हैं ना जो गाड़ी खरीद के फिर प्लास्टिक कवर निकालते नहीं चाहिए मेरे.
नहीं, हम ये टाइम पास चीज़ें नहीं करते. हम प्लास्टिक निकाल के, एक तो प्लास्टिक यूज़ ही करना नहीं चाहिए. आई एम वेरी अपसेट अबाउट दिस प्लास्टिक.
This is a eco-friendly.
I am very
bookshelf.
eco-friendly. Yeah. So anyway, I'm not very happy about that, but it is what it is now. Yeah, like this, I wanted to be somewhere where people can actually take it and like open it.
I agree. So I feel it should be somewhere on the lower shelf. Only.
Yeah.
Or do you want it on your coffee table?
I had kept it there,
Would be
but it
nice.
wasn't looking great there.
But we'll add it with 2 things. Huh? ऐसे अकेले it look weird. But with a couple of things. वो तो हो गई. But that's the aesthetic.
Any-
It looks little like
You want more? I have
Yeah.
lots more.
maybe 3 or 4 more if you have. That'll be nice. Because I think we'll do like a film section. So we have like film, we'll do art. And then we'll obviously do a bunch of pictures which go with it.
What?
Just like
Yeah.
putting them with a few things.
Yeah.
देखो देखो वो आ गया.
Oh, welcome, sir.
Namaste.
Thank you
बराबर से करोगे.
joining us.
अच्छे से करना एकदम दिल से.
Come na, be a supervisor.
Yeah, I think you
I
should
want
give
to
us some
shoot a
inputs,
nice
bro.
thing with Manji. Manji, while you're up here, na, go up.
What do you want to do?
Now you climb and you fall romantically into my arms. You fall there and look into my eyes.
तो मैं जाऊँ
2-3 हड्डियाँ टूट जाएंगी मत कर हाँ मत कर भाई हम पठान है
Boys girls अच्छे से करना एकदम. ये book थोड़ा आगे रखना. I like the movie book. Good idea, big idea, simply.
Any other input you want to give us?
Good. Looking good, as well.
Started already looking nice.
All my favorite books.
Yeah? Which ones have you read?
Name one movie you've read out of this. I want to see.
I've read No Limits.
Lies.
I've
Tell us a little bit about it.
I've read all the.
कुछ नहीं पढ़ा है
Weiss was that? Richard Weiss, नहीं. Brian Weiss books. All
Sure,
Brian Weiss
yes.
books, my favorite author.
और कुछ?
The Work of Art.
Did
Beautiful
you?
book. Do we have that here? Oh, right here. What a coincidence.
I like it. And ये कुत्ता आपका?
यही कुत्ता. मैंने इसमें हवा फूंका.
Okay, wait.
Oh, it's heavy.
One second. ये मच्छी बहुत अच्छी है bro. It's a good one. ठीक है.
Interesting.
Okay, this is my favorite picture.
Which one?
This one.
Would love it.
Can I put this?
I think you
right
should.
now?
Yeah, I think you should switch that.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's looking nice also.
Yeah.
Kind of like mirrors it out here.
Yeah.
It's nice. Basically, I think the bottom shelf we keep it more on like just film art. Let's say life in terms of like coffee table books, etc. And then let's go like with the artifacts, the pictures, etc. More on the shelves.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
I think the last one will be the least heavy one.
Yeah.
Right? Doesn't need to have too much on it.
No.
So we'll
We
keep it
also
more
have
here.
candles and
Oh, we need those for
lanterns
sure.
and candles.
Where is that?
There.
You want to use these like LED candles, right?
Yeah,
So let's use.
we
They're
can't
very nice.
keep real candles there because
Yeah, of
कुछ जल जाएगा.
No, of course.
I don't think that's a good idea, bro.
It's not a very good idea.
Yeah.
I think that this guy is going to go.
Okay, where do I put these now?
Which ones?
These.
These I think we can do like randomly around different areas. So
Like
do
let's do a set of like 2, 3.
So like
Together.
so for example we do two like this here. Copy paste format.
Like I
in
want to
terms
put
of-
this painting Marzia's
Oh,
somewhere.
that'll look lovely also. Why don't you put it here?
Here?
Yeah. Yeah. Look lovely then. We'll add a couple of books next to that.
Can I put it at the edge?
You could, yeah.
Yeah. This is nice.
And this guy I feel we'll just keep here as one showpiece in one corner.
Black dog, white doggy will be. This is our white doggy.
White balloon doggy.
Yes, Zahir, very good.
We need help, bro.
I'm preparing food. Tell them.
Do I keep it in front like this?
You're cooking food for us, na sir?
Should I keep it in front like this?
नहीं साइड में ऐसा एस्थेटिक हाँ ऐसा हाफ एनफ ऐसा ऐसा
Acha.
हाँ ऐसा वो थोड़ा आर्ट्सी फार्ट्सी
Okay. Aesthetic. New York.
What's about this?
Oh wow. It's so colorful. Just like Bollywood.
very aptly named.
Yeah.
But honestly, the Bollywood book that I love the best is
It's
that.
really nice.
That is
So
genuinely beautiful. It's like
It's
old school
so
movie
beautiful,
posters.
yeah.
It's damn nice. It's looking good.
This is actually looking very
And just
cute.
simple, clean, nothing.
Love it,
big.
yeah.
Just there.
Beautiful, yeah. Very nice.
Yeah. Looking good.
Welcome, sir.
Nutella and toast.
और तुम्हें पकाने में इतना टाइम लगा ये न्यूटेला टोस्ट
टोस्ट ये टोस्ट मैंने बनाया देखो एकदम परफेक्ट नॉट टू डार्क नॉट टू लाइट
क्या बात है सर क्या बात है सर क्या बात ये बात है
अपने
Where do I
हाथ से
sit?
बनाया इसने. It's
Does it fit there?
it does, but it's
Ooh,
like
it's not fun.
Yeah.
Okay, we'll find a way to place that. Wait.
Yeah.
But these will fit. My very famous artist there. We'll find a way to place it. बहुत famous artist ने बनाए हैं मैम.
Wait.
ये देखिए.
let me.
What do you call a dragonfly in Hindi? And so you know, inside then we should do, yeah.
What do you call a dragon in Hindi?
आई नो
What?
थिंक यूज योर ब्रेन लिटिल बिट यू विल कम टू योर इट्स क्वाइट सिंपल
So give us a clue. Give me some clue. Give me some
He
hint.
has no
नो नो आई नो
idea.
एक्चुअली
No, when he's so confident, usually he's cocky because he knows.
He does.
Otherwise, he's not.
I'll change my name if he knows.
यू नेवर नो ना एवर इफ आई नो नॉट चेंज योर
Okay, you'll have to tell me before I
Let's hear it.
Google it. You'll have to tell me
Let's
before I
hear it.
Google
आई
it.
डोंट
Come on, yeah.
I told
Say
you.
na. As you don't know it.
Exactly. Listen,
Let's see.
Manjot,
नहीं,
I
नहीं.
know my husband.
नहीं कुछ बताओ. What is it?
He doesn't.
नहीं आप नहीं मेरे को सुनना है. Please बताओ.
These guys, I've known
I-
them
I
for
know-
way too long,
I'm telling you, he knows he's saying यार. उसने बता दिया मुझे.
and you believed him.
Now you check now you are now you didn't hear
Now once you
What does he say?
अच्छा okay let's do one thing. उसने मुझे बता दिया है। नहीं, एक मिनट, मुझे बता दिया ऑलरेडी। आप चेक करके बताओ, मैं कंफर्म करता हूँ सही था कि
I will check, but you will tell me what he told you before I check.
चल ठीक है, बता।
मैं इन दोनों से स्मार्ट हूँ.
हाँ, let's go, चलो चेक बताओ।
Wait. Okay. What is it now?
सही है।
What did he tell you?
नो टेलो।
Okay, he's googled it.
अरे no.
व्यर्थ पतंग.
अरे ही
I said no, Vyang
What is it?
I said Vyang Patang.
इतना गलत कैसे हो सकता है भाई?
व्यंग पतंग।
व्यर्थ पतंग.
व्यंग पतंग।
And he has googled
My
this.
phone not is with me.
फोन है ही नहीं
You
उनके पास।
googled it inside.
नहीं, he's not got out of the chair. What are you talking about, यार?
After Dragonfly thing happened,
He's not done any
that's when
cheating.
I came outside.
Okay.
इन्होंने कोई चीटिंग नहीं की है।
Anyway,
I'm sure.
let's set up our Vyad Patangs. By the way, we have this.
I think we should turn this into a what's the word in Hindi वाला game.
Yeah.
Oh,
Okay.
Let's both of your Hindi and mine.
Okay. Candle को हिंदी में क्या बोलते हैं?
क्या बोलते हैं?
मोमबत्ती.
Mombatti. Okay.
I think this everyone would know.
Yeah.
मोमबत्ती।
You didn't know.
Of course I know मोमबत्ती यार।
You are going to say Agarbatti.
मोमबत्ती भी know यार। Mickey Singh songs also there. मोमबत्ती है। तो भाई। Okay, wait.
Enjoying.
A lot.
Placing this.
That is nice actually.
It is very cute. Up समय.
Yeah, I think they are better.
Yeah, no, that's it.
Yeah, good one.
Yeah, I think that would be nice.
Okay, I'm going to use this. Where's Waldo?
Waldo जी।
On top only to keep one more photo.
Yeah.
Are you-
But I don't think you should take it on top. This is like that interactive type book, ना थोड़ा।
Yeah.
Yeah, like let it be available on the lower shelf actually.
Can we?
Yeah. These,
Okay.
I'm liking these like all together.
What reflex?
wait.
Did you see that?
Yeah, I think you're an action
I'm
star.
like Catwoman. Hey, these Harry Potters should
They're
go
damn
like
nice.
here.
Down, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah, they're beautiful actually.
Oh, very heavy.
They are quite heavy. Excuse me, sir. I feel like we can put something.
I feel like I need to.
You got some like asli candles also?
Yeah.
Asli candles? Yeah.
Oi!
भाई आराम से
Why is this wobbly?
हम सेफ्टी के लिए पकड़
This
के
is very teda, huh, Manjot?
या
Give me 2 candles. I feel like candles.
हाँ ये लीजिए
Give one tall one.
Let me help you.
Finally. Thanks. Very.
This should have been a shot, guys.
Anything?
Yeah. Oh wow.
So it's coming together, no?
It's looking really nice. Yay!
Yeah. I think it's looking थोड़ा
Super.
vibe आ रही है अभी।
But all my बेचारा photos are left, Manji.
आएंगे उनका भी टाइम आएगा।
Nice, guys. See this. Hey, J.K. Rowling. Good job.
That I know you know because
That's
I have
good.
taught you. Of course. Yeah. Okay, this
Good job,
will
guys.
come
Please
where?
just tap on the back. Tap on.
Tap, no pat.
Tap.
Tap on the back.
I want to
Yeah.
tap.
Very nice.
Okay.
Very nice।
I wanted to say tap. I want to say
हाँ,
tap.
happy करके तुझे आता है।
Pat on the back. Pat on the back. बट ऐसा तुम लोग चीजें बुक के ऊपर चीजें रख रहे हो तो मैं इसको पढ़ूं नहीं.
उसको उठा के ले सकते
जब पढ़ने होगा ना उठा के फिर वो पढ़ लेना।
I want to read this book of answers.
और कौन सा
What
तुम
answers?
लाइफ में बुक पढ़ोगे?
लाइफ के आंसर्स लाइफ
Question क्या है? What is life?
वही तो
ओहो
वही तो mystery है
ओके
भाई।
तो मैं पढ़ेगा ना एक्चुअली मैं याद रखा हूँ किधर रखना है वापस. ये है बुक ऑफ आंसर्स. डोंट वेट. इट इज समथिंग यू वोंट फॉरगेट. एक्सपेक्ट टू सेटल. Seek out more options. Hey, what this book is telling me, we seek out more options. Huh?
It's not telling you anything.
Veena says it. Serious. Answer of life is to seek out more options.
गलत इसको घटा दो यहाँ से।
Take the book.
गलत बुक है गलत।
Follow through on your obligations. Follow someone else's lead. Make a list of why.
One second,
Take
but
a chance.
right now what's happening is that the top is all look fully खाली थोड़ा। खाली नहीं रखेंगे उसमें,
खाली रखेंगे?
खाली नहीं रखेंगे,
नहीं रखेंगे तो क्या करूं?
कुछ ना कुछ तो डालना पड़ेगा।
ये कैसा
fit हो
पड़ा
रहा है
था?
वहाँ पे ऊपर?
ये ऐसे था ना?
नहीं फिट होगा।
ट्राई फॉर ज़हीर।
हाँ।
ज़हीर। हाँ, yeah. Manji has ordered lots of cool books for us.
Yeah, wait.
Hey, you know what, Manji?
book, yeah?
No, you need to open and see them, bro.
Yeah, it's phenomenal.
Manji, I want these pictures of our parents.
Oh.
Very visible.
So why don't we switch these up? Like get some of the parents ones down here.
Haan.
Because you already have a bunch of you guys.
हाँ.
Let's put these here and move these here.
Yeah.
Top placement. Well done.
Finally, he did something.
Excuse me,
Yes?
who passed you the candle last time?
You.
That was me.
आइए आपके वजह हम कुछ नहीं कर पाएंगे।
You.
Who inspired you to draw the dragonfly?
Yeah, you are the
Left one? Inspiration.
But you are the what is it?
Why should I say again? I don't know. Once you don't remember, I'm going to tell you all the time.
You are some patang, bro.
We have to finish those shelves on top.
Yeah, but we need to fill that with something. What else can we fill over there? Because I don't think we have enough stuff. Because I want to put a couple of like books there.
Let me think.
We have these, but these are big. These won't fit up there.
I will. What could we do?
Zahir, so much acting while you do.
ये मच्छी देख रहे हो आप? उसका हम सही उपयोग कर सकते हैं. Let's switch it up.
I'm going to take a moment to just also soak it.
You have to go that side and soak it.
Yeah, so close. How you soak
Soaking
it?
from so close. My wish where I want to soak what from.
Like doing on that side, na?
We can have a doggy here like this, diagonally, so it gives you both profiles and center.
And you can guard the house also.
Yeah, like he's like a
Yeah, cute.
you know.
Why not?
The curves is accentuating the curves of the right angles of the wall.
आप तो पुरुष ही नहीं.
What a contribution.
आप तो पुरुष ही नहीं है सर. आप महापुरुष. महापुरुष. You want these all on top in a line? आराम से please.
Come on, you follow on me. Very cutely, this.
Never.
Romantic. We'll go to high speed.
Zahir, don't do that, yeah? Don't do that, yeah?
मार खाएगा.
You don't need things. Stand. Hold them on. Take support.
But you want me to see these? Yeah.
You guys have like clean white candles.
Plants are here. Okay. I got these cute little pots. Sweet, na?
Very cool.
Thank you so much. I worked so hard for this.
Take
I really worked really hard for this one.
Magic, give a speech, one award speech.
I'd like to thank my wife, my beautiful wife, my daughter, my parents who always supported me and motivated me.
Manji, no.
Huh? She's like, no. It's looking good. Nahin?
Yeah.
What do you think?
I think it's lovely.
So the only thing I would say is that you should work on it as you go. You'll buy new things, you buy a new book, you'll buy new stuff. We'll add that.
Well done, Manji.
Good job, Sons.
Zahir?
Good.
We're done with the shelves.
Zahir did a great job, yeah.
Wow. Good job, man. Why is that empty space there? I'm not like
Just we're keeping it for.
it's looking incomplete.
Life.
You know, I don't like that empty.
No, but you're adding different.
That
things
looks like my life without Sona. Empty.
Diabetes हो रहा है तुम्हारे साथ रह के.
Manji,
Yes.
thank you. for all your help.
You're very welcome.
I think it's
guys.
looking phenomenal. I'm so happy. It's feeling a little bit more like home now.
Yeah.
I love it. Bye guys. Thanks for watching.
Please follow his cars. Very nice and big.
Follow my channel.
Should I get on the ladder and give them a little look of my little calves?